Hi, what's up, Dogecoin holder? What's going on this time? The Dogecoin price in last 24 hours, as you can see here, 1.84% price will pumps up. Now, this is not a short fail, a short-term jump. Absolutely, this is a very huge jump for all Dogecoin holder, and definitely the price will be increasing if a holder are starting holding, if a holder are starting investing. In upcoming time, my friend, there is a 70% chance to the price will more increase from that the current price. But don't worry, my friend, it's wake up, because my brothers, especially the experts says, my friends, to this coin will collaborate with a lot of companies, so therefore the price will pumps up. And I hope, my friend, in upcoming time there is a chance, expert says, to they will my friend is going to collaborate with Amazon. So absolutely, if Dogecoin will collaborate with Amazon, remember, my brothers, to this coin price will get up, and they will get, now my friends, 2 to 30%, my friends. Absolutely, if they will just only get at 30%, so I hope they will hit now $1 my friend. I hope in the next pump they will easily hit now $1, but they will need just in only the holder focus. If holders are be active, so I hope they will wake up, otherwise they will fails down. So please try to understand, holders. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. And yes, my brothers, hold down. I hope, my friends, today will give you a profit just and only at the end of month. So please, holder, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification.